So when I was an undergrad math major, I really didn't like real analysis like at all. And at the time I thought it was a taste thing that I just liked algebra and combinatorics a lot more. But then when I got to grad school, I actually liked real analysis a lot. So something different was going on. See, this is a typical style of a proof that you see when you're doing undergrad real analysis. And you notice that it's kind of technical and you don't really see many pictures. So you don't have necessarily like an idea in your mind of what's actually going on. And honestly, I think when I was an undergrad, I just needed a lot more intuition behind what's going on instead of diving right into the technical details. For example, there are concepts in real analysis called the lim sup and the lim inf of a sequence. And a picture like this gives you an intuition as to what's actually going on with them. And having that picture first, before actually writing the technical proofs, will guide the proofs in a very natural way. And I think fundamentally that was something that was missing from my experience. But luckily for me, when I got to grad school, there are a lot more pictures like this where you could get an intuition of what's going on and naturally transcend that to writing actual proofs. So what would I do if I was in undergrad now? Well, when I was in undergrad, YouTube was not a thing. I think I would be using YouTube a lot. I think specifically I'd try to find videos that had a lot of illustrations of what's roughly going on before they dived into proofs, so that you have an expectation of what's supposed to happen, and then you can transcend that to making sense of what's actually happening.